How do you do, teacher? And hello, my friend. My name is Tawin. I'm 11 years old. I'm a student of Edward International School. I'm studying Superkid 3 book with teacher Samnang. Today, I would like to tell you about Water Festival. The Water Festival is one of the biggest national holiday in Cambodia, and it is called Bon Om Tuk in Khmer. The Water Festival lasts for 3 days, and it is normally celebrated in November. It is celebrated and the end of rainy season, and we celebrate water festival in order to remind of a favor to our ancestor defeated the enemy. During water festival, people may see both recent illuminated float and firework mark it a time for good harvest and the river south of Tonle Sap. Totally, I don't like to say that the water festival is important for the young generation to know about our own culture left by our ancestors because it is our heritage. Thank you.